Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update.
Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can disable automatic updates in Windows 10 permanently. Okay guys, so you need to come to this search box over here and type control panel, and here we have this control panel. Click to open it. Okay, and guys, if you have this category selected over here, you just need to select this large icons and click on this administrative tools, and here we have the services. Okay, so double click to open it, and here you need to find the Windows Update, okay, the service. So you have to scroll down. So here we have this Windows Update, so you need to double click on that, and here we have this Windows Update properties, this window over here, and here you can see this startup type is now automatic. Okay, so you just need to click over here, and here you will see this option disabled. Okay guys, and if you have this service status is running, you need to stop it, okay, by clicking on this stop button, and you can see that service status is now stopped, and click on this apply and click on the OK button, and you need to close this window. And if I go to my settings, let me go that, and if I go to update and security, and here you can see that updates available. Okay, so if I click on this install now, you can see update failed, and there is an error over here, okay, because we disable the automatic updates over here. Okay, so that's it guys. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks again. Bye bye.